Explosion at DOJ. Suspected bomb in Senate before Marcos fifth sona. Ito po ay article ng Inquirer.net. So meron pong nakitang bomba sa DOJ kanina mga kaibigan. At meron din daw sa Senate. Tingnan natin kung ano tong sasabihin, anong article ito mga kaibigan. A homemade bomb detonated near the entrance of the Department of Justice early on Monday. Officials said hours before suspected unexploded device was found near the Senate. So nagkaroon po kaninang bandang madaling araw or matapos ng madaling araw ay may nakita silang bomba na sumabog sa entrance ng DOJ. At hindi lang yan, meron pang pangalawang bomba na nakitang bomba naman sa Senado. Pero unexploded device naman daw to. So, ewan kung confirm na bomba ito or something. Titingnan natin The explosion just after midnight which resulted in no casualties. And buti walang nadamay mga kaibigan. And the discovery of the second suspected bomb came hours before President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. was due to give an annual State of the Nation address. So may nakitang bomba nga mga kaibigan. PNP or Philippine National Police Chief Jose Melencio Nartates Jr. told reporters on Monday there was a big possibility or probability that the two incidents are related. Mukhang hindi naman konektado na physically pero mukhang basta may relation. Sana all may relation May pagkakaano tong dalawang bombang natagpuan ng ito mga kaibigan ayon sa PNP. So ano kaya iyon? Malalaman natin kung may investigasyong gagawin. He said that while police had contingency plans for bomb threats, actual bombings and other things, something got past us and exploded in front of the Department of Justice. Kahit daw marami na silang ipin-repair para sa contingency plans, para sa mga bomb threat at mga physical talagang pambobomba, may nakalusot daw. Ayon. Ito ba ang sign ng katamaran? Charot. It was not immediately clear how large the early morning blast had been. So, hindi pa nila alam kung gaano kalakas yung pagsabog nung kaninang madaling araw na bomba dun sa DOJ. So, ito ang sabi ni Philip Ines, si Philippines. Yung mga nakikita yung memes yung pangalan niya parang Philippines, pero siya si Philip Ines. At ito yung sinabi niya, we are still investigating so we cannot give you details on how massive or small the explosion was. So, under investigation pa po ito mga kaibigan. Images posted by Philippine media showed what appeared to be a vehicle windshield crack by the blast and a small amount of debris. So, meron daw windshield na nakitang basag. Aray ko. Police said in one report that the device at the Senate had been spotted. May nakita daw sa Senado. Naku po. On a street abating the building just before 8:30 a.m. by a tow truck driver who alerted security staff. So, mukhang ang nakakita ay isang driver na in-alert yung security staff na meron daw bomba or explosive device na namataan bandang 8:30 kanina. So, butit nakita daw nung tow truck driver. Personnel trained in handling explosive ordnance removed material from the scene that included a blasting cap, clock, and a jar containing a brown powder for testing. So, nakuha na nila yung explosive device and i-examine nila kung ano yung laman nung something na yon. Tingnan natin sa mga susunod na araw kung ano yung lalabas sa investigation. Regional Police spokeswoman Hazel Asilo declined to estimate the size of the explosion the device could have produced. So hindi nila sinasabi kung gaano kalawak yung possibility na madamage in case na sumabog yung bombang namataan na yun mga kaibigan. Marcos's speech on Monday comes at a time of heightened political tensions with Vice President Sara Duterte in the middle of an impeachment trial while voters have also been roiled by a corruption scandal tied to bogus flood control projects. So maraming inabangan sa SONA mga kaibigan, and ewan kung tapos na or ongoing pa rin yung SONA in this time na nag-i-stream tayo dito sa YouTube and Facebook. So, tingnan natin kung meron tayong update. Pero ano muna masasabi niyo mga kaibigan sa ating istorya ngayong araw na may namataang bomba? Comment down below.